My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Ford Ka. This vehicle has done just over 68,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and to the right we have cruise control. On our touchscreen we can access, again, voice control, valet mode, display, vehicle and Wi-Fi, emergency assistance, mobile apps and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.